So today we are going to place our green skin cobra guppies in one large tank, and we are utilizing two large tubs for our Dumbo red-tailed baby guppies. I am also going to give all the updates of my outdoor fish tubs, and just a few days ago our Dumbo red-tailed breeders have produced lots of baby guppies in their tank, and just for a few days I have placed them in the small container. Here they were able to consume their food easily, and also needs less effort for these baby guppies to swim around the tank for the food. So here I am going to separate them into two halves. Since I have two tubs where I place green skin cobra guppies, I am going to remove them and place them in the large tank. These Dumbo red-tailed baby guppies are growing really well, and this tub contains all the green skin cobra guppies, and this is the second tub where I decided to catch all the baby guppies out from the tub and place them in the small container so that our acclimation process will be easier. And here is the beautiful green skin cobra guppies in the side view, and some of the male have been already developing the color, and they also have bright green stripes in their body. Also these males look really beautiful, and I decided to place them in this large tank. So before we release them, let's acclimate for 15 to 20 minutes to prevent the water shock. And our pennyworth plant is also growing really well. Because of the hot sun, I also decided to fill this container with plenty of water. And our three Dumbo red-tailed females are growing really well, and these three guppies are really enjoying their large space. Since we have placed a minimal number of guppies, they are growing really well, and these yellow tiger mosaic guppies are also having their food. And now it's already time to catch all the green skin cobra guppies from the first tub. And here is the side view of these guppies. And for my surprise, these guppies have a blue stripes on their body, which also makes them a really beautiful males. We also decided to acclimate in the same tank. So before we place our tiny Dumbo red-tailed baby guppies in this tank, I decided to clean them in order to provide them with a healthy and clean environment. So I decided to top up the tubs with the fresh tap water, and now it's already time to acclimate these baby guppies in their new tank. After some time, we will be releasing them to their new large tank, and because of the very hot sun, I am also watering all these plants in my outdoor setups. And after some time, it's already time to release these baby guppies to their new tank. And they would have lots of new friends in their new tank, and they would also really love their new place. And it's already time to release these baby guppies of the second container, and these guppies also would really love their new place. And these baby guppies are also introduced to their new tank, and I wish they would grow really faster and they would be our future breeders. And these tiny guppies would also love their new place. As well as feeding these guppies, I noticed some of the baby guppies in this tank. So I decided to prepare the container and catch all the baby guppies out from the tub. As I said, this strain of the guppies are the baby eaters. And because of the tub black in color, it's hard time for us to see the baby guppies in this tank. And for the few minutes, I was still searching for these baby guppies, and I was able to catch one after one baby guppies. And here are the baby guppies that I was able to catch from this tub. So just for a few days, we are going to place them in this small container. So before we release them, let's also acclimate them in this container.